Hi guys, it's Crystal Marie again. Welcome back to my channel. And today I am bringing you guys a video. You guys know I'm always excited to bring you new videos, and this one is no exception. So this is going to be a small haul from Carpe Diem and Simply Gilded planner supplies. And then my next video is going to be a plan with me, and I'll show you how I'm using these planner supplies. But if you love pretty planner supplies, stickers, washi tape, traveler's notebooks, all kind of stuff, then definitely stay tuned. Thumbs up the video, and if you are not subscribed, I would love you to be a part of the Diva Circle, so definitely hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing that I ordered was from Simply Gilded. La. And these were some washi tape. I kind of think they were on sale, and so I wanted to pick up some. You guys know I'm obsessed with washi, and if I didn't get enough at PlannerCon, I am still ordering washi. So how cute is that? Let's see if it will focus here. How cute is that? So this is the Simply Gilded washi tape. And I love the polka dot, and it's got these gold bows on it. It's so cute. And then I also got the larger size. Same thing. And this is so pretty. I think this was one from one of the boxes before I subscribed, but I saw this and I wanted to get this too. So it's the polka dot, and it's got the roses. So like freaking pretty. How pretty is that? And then it came with this card that says flourish, and another cute little sticker. Cute. So that was one. And then I'm still behind, you guys, because I wanted to do an unboxing of the Sakura Bloom box. It was my first subscription box from Simply Gilded, and it was February's box, I believe. So I've been a subscriber since February, and so I'm going to pull everything out for you so I can start using this stuff. The box is so cute. Okay, so first we've got this pretty pin. You guys know I love beautiful pins, and if you guys can see that, it does have like this pretty like glitter kind of design to it. I will take a picture definitely on Instagram. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, please do so at the Diva Diaries, and I will take a picture of it so you can see that, because the camera is not doing it justice. Hey, Cupcake. My dog is like trying to be a part of the video, and it has some pretty flowers on it. So cute. Let me see if I can turn down the lighting and maybe you guys will be able to see it. There you go. That's a little bit better, so you guys can kind of see, but it is so very pretty. So that's cute. And then we also got this jelly roll pin. Cute, cute, cute. So fun there. And more washi tape. So cute. Gorgeous rose gold. And the bows. I love that. And then this one is so pretty too. It's got like speckles of rose gold in it. So very cute. Then let's just continue on with the washi here. This one has rose gold flowers on it. It's really pretty. Love, love, love. And then this one is another one of the rose gold ones. Same thing, just the different size, like the thin versus the thick size. So I love those. What else did we get here? More flower stickers. Very nice. This shows you everything that's in the box. This card is really pretty. It says, each day you can admire the moon, the snow, and the flowers. Japanese proverb. So cute, like a little journaling card. Stickers. These are cute. Today, remember, important to do, to buy. And then like pretty little stickers. Juniper. I love it. It's cute. And then on the back, it's got the days. Remember, important to buy. Cute, cute, cute. So now I can use these now that I have shown you guys because I was saving it. I like to share it with you first. And then it also came with a little notebook here. So that's cute. So that's where you're going to put that off to the side. That was the Secure Bloom. And I also have this month's box. Yay! And this month's box theme is simplicity. So I love it. So this is March's box. Ooh, it's jam-packed. It's filled with stuff. Look at that. Yeah. And this is the first time I'm actually opening this box. So, whoo-wee. Okay, that's everything. So I'm going to put that over there. Another very pretty pin that goes with the theme. I am a pin collector, so I love. And this one has like pink flowers on it. Very cute. Very me. And this shows you what's in the box. Foiled journaling card, washi tapes, foiled pocket tin insert, gel ink pen, lined denim pouch, a bow charm, clip combo, foiled notepad, and luxe sticker sheet. Let's check it all out. Okay, so first the stickers. So cute. XO Juniper stickers. They're so really pretty. And then the bliss here, remember, simple. I like it. And then the page flags here. Cute. Let's take the stickers out so we can see the other sticker in the back. Take this one out. Put you over to the side. Saturday, Sunday vacation. I love the day stickers, like, because I have, I will show you my planner in the next video, but I love, love, love the day stickers. Yay, cute, cute. What have we got here? Fresh, simple, and clean. I love this, like a little journaling card, and this is silver foil, really pretty. A market list, so this is a little notepad. Got a little hair on there. This is a nice little notepad. It's really pretty. And the bow, oh my goodness, the bow charms. They're so cute. So this one is like the paper clip, and this is the charm. These are really pretty. So pretty. And I'm going to save this for last because she did do a sneak peek on that, and I knew that was coming, but that's so pretty. And of course, the washi. I think she put some Oops washi in this one. And I'll take it because I am obsessed with washi. So this comes with a pretty little pouch, and here's the inside. It's really cute. So the first washi we have matches the pouch and the pen, actually. So this pen and this washi match. And this pouch. That's really nice. So very cute. Let's see, what does this say? Light and airy. That's really cute. More bow washi. Oh yeah, my Simply Gilded collection is definitely growing as far as washi. This is cute. Is this like the gingham pattern? Very pretty. Wait, is there more? Oh yeah. Fell underneath. So this washi matches the, yeah, I like that. So you get like a large one and a small one. Love that. And the same here. So you've got the large and the small silver. Love that. You guys know I love like silver, pink glitter, all of that. So this is all the washi that came in the March box. And then I'm gonna run out of space, I swear. This is a notebook. Keep it simple, sweetheart. So this is another notebook that came in here, and it matches, of course, the washi, and it matches the bag, and it matches the pen. So I really like that. And this is just a little letter from her about the Oops roll because she added those in the box. And then this is a nice little bracelet. I did see that sneak peek. I hope I can get it around my wrist. I have pretty small wrists, so I should be able to get it around my wrist. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous, you guys. Let's see, let's see. Come on around the, yes. Isn't that pretty? That's gorgeous. And it's got the bows on it and it's rose gold. That's so pretty and delicate and just very like ladylike. I love it. It's gorgeous. Okay, I think that's all my Simply Gilded stuff. So I also ordered, I'm gonna put this in the bag though, because I don't want it to get scratched. I also ordered some Carpe Diem because they had their like 75% off sale and I just went for it. So I ordered these. These are like my favorite traveler's notebooks and they are the Carpe Diem Reset Girl traveler's notebooks. I love the polka dot design. I love the inside. I use these as my note taking for like sermon notes and I just love it. So I ordered 5 of these and they actually sent the wrong ones first, so I'm going to show you those next, but these are the ones that I actually ordered, so they resent these and they let me keep the other ones. So love that. Thank you, Carpe Diem. And I just love, let's look at that. I love the Reset Girl style. You guys have heard me say that before, so I love these. And I think these were like only like $1 something, and they're regular $5.99, so I had to take advantage of getting these. Put that to the side. My desk is gonna get like crazy in a second. So these are the ones they sent on accident. So I may do a giveaway. I still need to do the PlannerCon giveaway from my last video, so I need to post that for you guys, and that will be over on my Instagram again at the Diva Diaries. And so I'll probably do a second giveaway for these. Make it happen. They're very cute too. I might try one and then do a giveaway for the rest of them. And these are lined. So the Reset Girl ones are grid, and I love that. So I went crazy on the Reset Girl stuff because it was on sale and I couldn't help it. So I got like a few of these, which I think were like $1. Like I don't think I paid over $20 for this whole box. So like what you're seeing, so it was a really good sale. And these are Reset Girl Carpe Diem collection stickers. And so I picked up a whole bunch of those. Then I picked up like about 10 of these. And these are basically pocket cards. So I'm going to open one so we can see them all. But I got like about 10 of these. And I think these were like 50 cents. I don't think they were like, I don't even think they were $1 because I got 10. So crafty. And then this is the back. Planner Girl. I love this one. Planner Girl. And then this is the back. That's the signature pattern there. Plan for good things. And then here's the back of that one. See the good things in life. And I love this. I love this cross pattern. So I did pick up some washi. It's not on my desk, so I can't pull it out for you guys, but I picked up some washi with this cross pattern. I love it. I am obsessed with it. Can't stop. Awesome. And then this is the back of that. These are really pretty. Like a boss. Everybody's a boss. And this is the back of that one. And gotta love that ampersand. And then the back of this. So this is what, this is the pattern that is inside the Traveler's Notebooks, and I love this pattern. It doesn't have the little like dots on it, but it's just this pattern, and I love it. 24/7. And then this is the back of that one. P is for planner. And that's the back of this one. I love these little like library looking cards. I love using those in some of my journaling. And then this is the back of this one. Love that. Planning 101. Get your crafty on. Love that. And this is the back of this one. Again, this is like my favorite, the cross pattern. I love it. Perfect pair. And that. So I got, like, as you can see, I got like I think 10 of those. So I did really good at the sale. And I think, yes, I think that's it for my little mini haul. And I will film another video showing you a plan with me for April and how I use all of this stuff in my planning. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, thumbs up the video, subscribe if you're not already, and stay tuned for more DIY, fashion, faith, and fun videos. Bye.